Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. MXP signing here again for another video. Today I've just received the brand new Dji Osmo 360, so we are gonna unbox it right away. And stay tuned and subscribe to his channel. Next week I will compare it to the X5, the one I'm using since month now, and we're gonna show which one is best. For those who are new to this channel, I'm a French drone photographer and videographer, sharing most of my work on my Instagram account. Here on this YouTube channel, I'm sharing behind the scenes and the best tips and techniques just to help you get the best shots from your gear. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe, turn on the bell, and now let's go to the unboxing. So here is the box. It's like a normal DJI. If you're used to DJI products, it's quite like all the others one. This white box. So here is a camera. I don't think there is anything else down here. Just a box. Actually, it's quite tiny. I thought it was bigger on the internet. For instance, if you compare it to the Ace 2 Pro, it's almost the same size, and facing the X5 screen is a little bit tiny, but the whole thing is the same. Let's compare the sensors. Sensor is bigger on the DJI. Please do focus now. But regarding the weight, it seems a little bit heavier. I think we'll compare it in the next video. So the camera is down here. Here in this box, it's the adventure combo I got. So you get batteries, extra batteries, and the stick like DJI one, like Insta360 sorry. So it's just a stick. You plug it on it, and it's become invisible. You also have, if you see here, the mounts, the quick release mounts here, so you can remove the accessories quite easily. Let's put it down here. Here in the box you have the extra charger. The charger is helpful to charge batteries at the same time. It's a battery holder. You have all the three batteries down here, and you just have to plug in the USB-C here. So that's very cool point to have it directly within the box, the package. And just to finish, here is the protection. Like any DJI product, you have things to unroll. So here is the release mount I was talking about. So much plastic. I think the manufacturer can remove all those plastics. That's for instance, so you have here your mount. All you need to do is just to, it's magnetic, you put it on the right way. So since it's magnetic here, you can put it that way. You filter that it's not fitting the right side. But here is, you have the mount. Take your stick or any accessory. You want to remove it. Down. I did love this feature on here, for instance, you have it on my Ace 2 Pro, but Insta360 made it earlier, and that's very helpful if you want to change the way you're using things, or for instance, if you want to move from one side to another side. With the cage on the Ace 2 Pro, you can put it vertically very quickly, and those kind of accessories are very helpful just to save you times, and you don't have to remove things or screw and so on. Let's finish what's inside the box. I think this is quite cool. sticker here. Oh, pretty cool. And you also have here, once again, too much plastic. It's the cap to protect the lens, so here you put it on it and you're good to go. I'm gonna run for it just to sake of this video. What you can do here is just rotate here the angle. It's just pretty cool if you want to do some vlogging with it. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how to configure it, and we're gonna compare it. So let's maybe do some cleaning down here. We're gonna compare it face to Insta360 X5. So please stay tuned, and if you do like this content, give me a thumb up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.